Welcome to this complete guide on how to build a profit and loss dashboard in Looker Studio in 2026. If you want a clear view of your business income, expenses, and overall profit, this type of dashboard is essential. First, prepare your data. Your data source should include revenue, cost, expenses, and date fields. You can use Google Sheets, BigQuery, or any connected financial data source. Now open Looker Studio and create a new report. Connect your data source and check that all monetary fields are correctly formatted as currency. This step avoids confusion later, so take a second here. Next, create calculated fields. Add a profit metric by subtracting total expenses from total revenue. This calculation becomes the core of your profit and loss dashboard. After that, add scorecards. Show total revenue, total expenses, and net profit at the top. This gives you an instant financial snapshot as soon as the dashboard loads. Now visualize trends. Add a line chart with date as the dimension and revenue, expenses, and profit as metrics. This helps you track growth, dips, and seasonal changes over time. To break things down further, add a table. Use month or category as the dimension and include revenue, cost, and profit. This makes it easy to see where money is coming from and where it's going. Use filters to control the view. Add date range or category filters so users can analyze specific periods or departments without editing the report. You can also apply conditional formatting. Highlight positive profit in green and losses in red. This makes financial insights clear at a glance, especially for decision makers. Finally, share your dashboard or schedule automated email reports. This keeps stakeholders updated without manual reporting work. And that's it. A clean, visual, and data-driven profit and loss dashboard using Looker Studio. If this guide helped, like the video, share it with your team, and subscribe for more analytics and reporting tutorials.